student success planner for history students taking AP history classes is thebomb.com. You can start out each week by writing down what week you're studying. And for location, no, not your location, the location that you're studying. So week 1 of school is most likely prehistory, which is Africa, Europe, and Asia, Afro-Eurasia in the AP world. And that is pre-1200. It's before the key concepts begin, before the course begins, because we have to contextualize it. And as you learn about the different parts of AP World History, you jot down like what those objectives are that the teacher puts on the board or what the key concepts are that are being covered. They are not part of the course. So in this instance, just sort of a generic description of what you're learning: prehistory, early civilization, how did we get to Unit 1? And then as you look at the thinking skills, these should be emphasized each week by your teacher. For example, causation is checked, which is how did we get here? What caused us to get to this moment in time? And then check the box for comparison, because as you look at the different early civilizations, there might be some comparison about their geography or about their achievements or about their belief systems. So how do the civilizations compare? Over where it says key terms, that's where you could write down any vocabulary words like hunter-gatherer, agricultural revolution, which is also known as the Neolithic Revolution. Up where it has summary of content, that's where you would summarize all of the things that you learned about that week. And I know sometimes that's kind of hard to do, but summarizing is a really great way for your brain to conceptualize all of the knowledge. And you could update this every day that you have class, or at the very least at the end of the week when you're reflecting on all that you have learned. And of course, some weeks are going to have more than others. If you don't have enough room, that's where you could use some sticky notes to add more room. Now you see going down to contextualization, which is basically answering the question, what led up to this time period? So you have the hunter-gatherers. This is before plants and animals were domesticated. And there was a lot of migrations that were happening in this time period. This is where it's very interactive, because you're like, oh yeah, that's right. Neolithic. That's that word that means agricultural revolution. Are you still with me? I bet that's because you really want to buy this, right? If you're watching on TikTok, just go to my shop, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. The link is in my bio to purchase from Amazon or my website. And thanks.